Hi guys, welcome to Weddings in Quarantine, Season 1, Part 1.
Hey, give that back. Give, no, give.
Hey, what the hell? Cut it out, folks. Hi guys. So Ajay and Bhavna, I'm so happy that both of you are getting married, but I'm super sad and annoyed about the fact that we are not going to be there to personally come and see your wedding. And I had all my outfits decided, by the way. That being said, Ajay, there's something I really need to tell you. In the almost 10 years that I've gotten to know you, you are one of the sweetest and kindest people that I have had the pleasure of knowing and befriending. You might be stupendously goofy on the outside, but you're gooey as a marshmallow on the inside. And thank you for the fact that you brought Bhavna into our lives. She balances you out perfectly. You guys are made for each other. I couldn't have asked for better friends, and I can't be more happy that the two of you are doing this together. Also, fun fact, cool story to tell your kids when you're like 60 that you got married when the world was coming to an end. So guys, all the very best. Wish you guys a lifetime of fun, love, prosperity and lots of excitement. I hope to see you guys super duper soon for a major party.
Congratulations.
Congrats guys. Bye.
Congratulations. Yeah, I wish we all could have been there together in this happiest moment. But Corona happened, right? But a big party is due after Corona. So God bless you guys and many more to come.
Hey, congratulations
Congratulations अजय and भावना. एक और बकरा कट गया.
Don't listen to him. Wow, I really can't believe the next time we meet, we'll be meeting the Lakras. We are really happy you guys have reached this amazing milestone in your life. I wish we all could have been there with you guys. कितना मजा आता, but कोई ना. The next time we meet, we'll have a grand party.
But I hope you guys are really sure about this because मोदी जी ने तो सिर्फ temporary lockdown बोला था. तुम लोगों ने तो forever lockdown का ले लिया है तुमने वादा. मतलब are you sure about this?
Stop it, Sarthak.
Okay, but in all seriousness, I totally get why you guys are doing this. I mean, it's like in this video of ours, there's a line between us, and they have reached the point in their life that they don't want this line to be there, and they just want to stay together forever.
क्या बात है. एक और चीज, not to pressure you guys at all. We were hoping for mini middas, but वो तो आए नहीं. So we have new ray of hope for mini munkas. Anyways,
nice.
may the love you share today grow stronger as you grow old together. Wishing you
a very happy married
life, and
and please send some pictures,
yeah,
lots of them.
bye. Love you
Bye.
guys. Enjoy
Love
your
you
day.
guys.
Hi Ajay, hi Bhavna. Congratulations on the wedding, guys. It's really sad that we couldn't be there, but given the current circumstances, I guess it's probably for the best. Best wishes on this wonderful journey as you build your new lives together. And may the love you share grow stronger as you grow old together as well. Congratulations once again, guys.
Hey guys, congratulations and best wishes for your married life. And of course, we are waiting for a grand celebration post-COVID. Cheers.
Yeah. Hello Bhavna, heartiest congratulations. I've known Lakra for the past 7 years. We met first, I think, in 2013 after he'd come back from his flying school. And he's a really sweet guy. You're very lucky. But Ajay, she's way out of your league.
Okay. Hi guys. Many congratulations. I'm glad, Bhavna, I can finally now call you Mrs. Munka. So, Mr. and Mrs. Munka, my heartiest congratulations to you guys. And all the very best for this new chapter. See you.
Hi Ajay and Bhavna, congratulations on this great day. I know that you've been waiting for it for a long time and it's finally happening. So congratulations, even though the odds at which it is happening is a little sad, but it's fine, who cares. And as soon as this gets over, we're gonna have a great party. And Ajay, I just want to say that I'm so glad that you found someone who loves you so much, and you deserve it all. And it's been so long, and I'm sure you guys are gonna make a lovely couple and a lovely husband and wife. And enjoy your day. have a great day, have a great life, and eventually I know you will come back to my G town, and I will see you then, and we will hopefully party soon. Congratulations once again, and see you.
Hi Ajay, hi Bhavna, or should I say Mr. and Mrs. Munka, now that you know you're married when you're watching this video. But congratulations, and really wish we were there with you, and we were really looking forward to seeing you guys and being with you on your special day. I'm really happy now that the climax of the movie is here and you guys are going to be happily married. And I really wish we could have been there, but my bestest wishes to the both of you. I can't think of a couple who better complements each other the way you guys do, and can't wait to meet you guys whenever you're back, and we're gonna have a big party to celebrate all that we've missed out on, and just best wishes and congratulations, and just love to both of you.
Hi Ajay and Bhavna. Wow guys, यार मज़ा आ गया सुन के यार. Finally you guys are getting married. Amazing news, yeah. Many congratulations to both of you. Many congratulations to both the families. And बस इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा. You guys are a perfect example for a match made in heaven. All the best wishes and wishing you guys all the bliss and happiness from the heavens. Many congratulations guys. जल्दी मिलते हैं and let's have a grand celebration. Lots of love guys. Lots of love. See you guys soon. Bye bye. Bye.
Ajay, congratulations on your second innings, man. God bless you both. Wish you a very happy married life. Cheers.
Hello again, Bhavna. This is your home boy. Yeah. I heard you guys are tying the knot, and it's been a long time coming. I know. I'm so happy for you guys. I wish you a very long and happy married life. And come back soon. We need to celebrate this together. Bye bye.
Hey guys, congratulations. Your wedding was something we were all looking forward to for a very long time. For sure, we'll miss being there with the both of you, pulling Ajay's leg and celebrating all the functions together. However, whatever the situation, one thing that can't be taken away is the love and blessings that we have in our heart for you guys. I wish your love is as endless as the rings you exchange and wear, a circle of happiness for both of you to share. Congratulations.
There comes a time in everyone's life when they meet their one true love, their soulmate, the person who is going to be there and love them all their life. That moment came for Ajay around 10 years ago when he met me. Well, jokes aside, Ajay had been looking for Bhavna long before they had even met each other. Bhavna is everything Ajay had wished for and much more. Bhavna, getting to know you has been an absolute privilege. We are so lucky to have you. I wish you two all the best in life together. I love you both. Bye-bye.